Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Honor Magicpad 2. Now this is one of the best Android tablet that you can get in the market right now with OLED display, and I bought this from Jareer bookstore. You get a keyboard cover case and Magic Pencil 3 free with it, which is really nice. So let me just quickly unbox this and show you. I also got a screen protector because of course you need to protect that beautiful 12.3 inches OLED display. So let me just quickly unbox this and let me just quickly show you what's inside the box. So here is the plastic. Let me remove the plastic first. And the model that I have here, it has 256 GB of internal storage, 12 GB of RAM, and the color that I ordered was in Moonlight White. So let's see how it looks. Here is our free keyboard that comes with keyboard case, that comes with the device, which is really nice. Honor Magicpad 2 Smart Bluetooth keyboard. And here, as you can see, the packaging. So guys, this is amazing that you don't need to pay extra for getting these accessories, which is really nice. If we compare to Apple iPad Pro, you need to buy the keyboard and Magic Pencil separately, which is, in my opinion, it's very expensive. So with Honor Magicpad 2 you are getting these free. So let me just quickly show you. Here is the cover, keyboard cover case, and yeah, the materials are really nice. It has a leather type of material, and yeah, looks amazing. But unfortunately it doesn't come with a trackpad like Honor Magicpad 3. But I really honestly don't like the Honor Magicpad 3 guys, because it doesn't come with OLED display. While the Honor Magic 2 comes with the OLED display, it comes with IPS display. I don't know why they switched to IPS display. So here is our tablet, and inside the box, let me just quickly show you. We get our Magic Pencil here, as you can see, Honor Magic Pencil 3, which is amazing guys, and honestly it's free. So I'm really happy that they provide you with these accessories inside the box. And here is our Type-C cable. You also get a Type-C cable. So let me just quickly put these to the side, and here is our quick start guide, and here is our USB Type-C cable. So it is not Type-C to Type-C, it is USB, micro USB A to Type-C, I believe. So let me just quickly show you. Let me just put this to the side, and we also get a charging adapter, 66 watt, which is really nice, super fast charge. Amazing guys that you are getting these accessories inside the box. Now let's take out our tablet, and yeah, the display looks quite reflective. On the bottom you can see we have two speakers and USB Type-C port, and on the right hand side, actually if you look at the right hand side, two speakers and USB Type-C. On the top we have our volume rocker up and down, and on the left we have our power button and two additional speakers, which is amazing, and power button. So yeah, the design looks amazing guys. And on the back hand side we have 13 megapixel of camera, 13 megapixel with LED flash, so it can record up to 4K 30 FPS, which is really nice. So guys, let me just quickly skip this process and set the device, so I will show you in a few minutes. So now we are in the operating system, and guys, trust me, this is really fast in terms of fluidity, and I'm really impressed by the performance. So here, as you can see, if I go into display, let me just quickly switch it to dark mode, because we have an OLED display. So here, as you can see, it's quite reflective, but amazing guys, the performance is looking amazing in terms of the animation speed is really nice, and it comes with Snapdragon 8S 3 Gen processor. On the front we have a 12.3 inches beautiful OLED display that has a refresh rate of 144 Hz and resolution is 300 by 920p. So amazing guys, the performance is amazing honestly. Here, as you can see, RAM, we have 12 GB of RAM, and it is running on Android 15. You can upgrade to Android 16 I believe in the future, so let's wait for it. So let me just quickly open the camera, and the camera is also looking really nice. Let me go back into the video, and yeah, the camera is looking really great. On the front we have 9 megapixel of camera for your selfies and stuff like that. So but yeah, this one is looking also really nice. So currently the resolution is on 1080p, but you can choose 4K at 30 fps, which is amazing. And here is the quality. So yeah, in this price range, I'm really impressed by the features. And the display is looking stunning in my opinion, guys. Because of OLED display, this tablet beats every other tablet in my opinion in this price range. And as you can see, the bezel is quite thin. So the peak brightness that we are getting is up to 1600 nits, which is amazing. And let me just quickly turn on the Bluetooth and just connect our Magic Pencil 3. You just have to put it on top and it is gonna show you a pop-up. So let's click on agree and then click on connect. Now it is connecting. And now it is connected, here as you can see. So yeah, works really well. So as you can see, so I'm really impressed by the performance, guys. Honestly, this is really nice, and in this price range you are getting this level of performance. Amazing. I highly recommend you to purchase Honor Magicpad 2. So let me just quickly connect the keyboard case as well. Here is our keyboard case. So guys, if you want to know anything about this tablet, you can ask me in the comments down below and I will make a full review of this tablet. But honestly, so far I can say this is the best tablet in my opinion. And the battery life is also amazing. We get a 10,050 milliamps of battery, which is really nice. And it also supports quick charge, so which is also very good. And here is our keyboard case. You just need to close the keyboard case, then a pop-up will appear. So let me just quickly show you how you can connect it. Now currently it is not connected, but it's gonna give you a pop-up. So let's swipe up and then you can connect it easily. You just need to turn on your Bluetooth, because guys, this keyboard and Magic Pencil 3 is connected via Bluetooth. So if you turn off the Bluetooth, it will not work. So here as you can see, now our keyboard is working. Let me just quickly show you. Yeah, and the keyboard feels really nice, guys. I wish that it comes with a trackpad, honestly, but in this price range I'm not complaining still. The build quality is really nice. Actually, it feels kind of plastic from the side. I don't know what material they are using, but from the sides I can say it does feel like plastic. But on the back we have a glass back, which also does feel like plastic, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, we are running on Magic OS, as you can see, and you can install all of your applications. It comes with different display mode: eye comfort, Honor eye comfort mode. Here as you can see. It also comes with the face unlock, which works really well. So let me just quickly show you the display and brightness. Here is our display settings, and let's check the refresh rate. It's on dynamic. Here as you can see, it can go up to 144 Hz. Balance, smoothness and battery life. So color temperature, it is currently on vivid, and I like actually warm display compared to the cool temperature. So yeah guys, honestly the display is stunning in my opinion, and this tablet feels really premium. I previously owned Xiaomi Redmi Pad 5, but it comes with an IPS display and the display is small, but this one we get 12.3 inches with the thin bezels. It looks amazing. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this video. Click on that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.